Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can send your notes to a printer on the iPhone 12 or the iPhone 12 Pro. First, let's go back to your home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Then on the home screen, tap on the Notes application. In here, open up the note that you would like to print. Okay, so in here you tap on the three little dots at the top, which is the More button. So tap on the More button and then go down and tap on Send a Copy. Next, tap on the Print button from the menu and then tap on Printer to select a printer. Now you need to select a printer, either a wireless printer that you have connected to or an AirPrint printers. And either way, once you have selected a printer, there is a print button at the top, which you can then proceed to print your notes and documents in here. And at the bottom, it will show you a preview before it will print. And in here, you can choose how many copies to print and the range, which is the pages. So you can print all pages 1 to 2, or you can choose just simply page 1 or page 2 to page 2. And that's it. Finally, you can swipe up to go back to your home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.